Highs in the 50s, a nor'easter offshore, and did I mention that tomorrow is Memorial Day weekend? Hey everyone, it's meteorologist Joe Martucci here. It is raw, nasty out there, and again, we do have a nor'easter actually, a weak one at that, but a nor'easter right off our coast, and you might be thinking, well, where's summer? Now, we know Memorial Day weekend can bring a wide variety of weather conditions, but what we're seeing both yesterday on Wednesday and today on Thursday are just raw and kind of unusual. We have a high temperature of 58 degrees both today and what we saw on Wednesday. Our average high is 74, so we're 16 degrees below average. Now, we aren't breaking record cold temperatures with this, but this is the average high temperature for Anchorage, Alaska this time of the year. And like I said, we do have a weak nor'easter off our coast. And according to Ben Knoll of Capital Weather Gang, out of all the nor'easters that we see in the Northeast, only 2% of them happen during the month of May. Here's a look at what's going on. We have a thinner than usual atmosphere. That's why you see those blues and purples there. Really, it's a large area of low pressure. It just hangs around with us pretty much until Sunday. And we're going to see these weather fronts passing through our area as we go forward into the weekend, keeping it cooler and unsettled. But I don't think any day's a washout. Here's a look at Thursday. This is our wettest day of the next several here. You see a big L offshore. That's our nor'easter. It's scattered showers throughout the day, then isolated showers on our Thursday night. We make our way into Friday, in the beginning of our Memorial Day weekend. I think we're mostly dry, but it's not going to look that nice, and it's still going to be breezy out there as well. We are talking about isolated showers throughout the day and cool temperatures as well. Then we go into Friday night. It's mostly dry, pretty similar to Thursday night. If it's a shower you see, it's brief. Then we make our way into Saturday here, which looks to bring more isolated showers, but a little more sunshine as well throughout the day. Here's a look at our rainfall totals. This includes what happens late Wednesday into Wednesday night. Rainfall totals vary from south to north. Highest totals near Long Branch, where we're expecting 1.5 to 2 when all is said and done in Monmouth County. Here's a look at our Thursday numbers. They don't really change all that much. We have fog, we have wind, we have rain. That helps to keep temperatures pretty steady throughout the day. Winds will be whipping here. We look at our surf report, and it's just not nice. If you need another reason not to go in the water and the weather wasn't enough, how about this? We have a swell out of the northeast. Now, water temps are on the milder side in the ocean, but we do have a small craft advisory in effect and a rip current alert in effect as well. Thursday night is damp, dreary, and gray. I think we're mostly dry here. If you see a shower, it is brief. And then Friday, the beginning of Memorial Day weekend, temperatures 60 to 65. We still see a fairly strong wind out of the west. A little bit of sunshine. We'll call it mostly cloudy. That would be about all. And then we look at our MDW 2025 weather rankings. Remember, my short summer weekend weather report card returns for its 8th annual edition right after the holiday weekend. Sunday looks to be the best day. Saturday and Monday kind of in between here. And Friday, definitely the worst of the 4 days. Here's a look at our inland 7-day forecast here. Temperatures do climb up throughout the weekend here. Sunday's our best day of Memorial Day weekend. Of course, the more important shore forecast, a little bit cold for the ocean and hanging out in the sand. But we do have some good boardwalk days, I believe, on Sunday and probably even Monday as well.